I'm here as part of the life skills course. So we're doing some landscaping and planting around the new Curran building. And this is where the idea for the lazy beds came from. I'd done lazy beds years and years back, but lazy beds are quite a good way of starting off a garden as well, because there's only half the digging involved. So apart from reviving or refreshing an old custom, it's also got a good practical use as well. So I think you've got some film of the lazy beds at the end of the building, so hopefully that'll be in years to come maybe a wee garden for the children in the nursery part. And as a bonus, we should have a wee crop of potatoes at the end of the year as well. Especially on the east coast, where the land isn't quite so good or so easily worked, there's a good number of people who still use that method to grow their potatoes and stuff for the garden. So it is quite practical, and as you can see, you only actually dig over half the ground. So for a given area, there's only half the digging involved that would be involved if you were doing it the conventional way. And also, if you were starting off a garden for the first time, the lazy beds, I think, are quite a labour efficient way of doing it. Plus, and the potatoes also sort of break up the ground and condition it for planting other things in the years to come. We made a claim for some grant money from the biodiversity scheme, so we've just taken delivery of a whole pile of plants today that are going to be planted round and about, and they're plants to attract insects and butterflies and birds and